The 2026 Yamaha TT-R110E arrives as a compact off-road machine that focuses on accessible adventure, low-maintenance fun, and the core Yamaha philosophy of reliability. Designed for younger riders, learners, and casual trail fans, it stands as a doorway into motorcycling rather than a full-scale competitive model. Yet its purpose makes it important. Not every bike needs to be massive, aggressive, or intimidating. A small dirt bike can build confidence better than any flagship, and the TT-R110E is built around this idea. When Yamaha analyzes this model, the primary lens is usability. Yamaha doesn't push spec sheets to extremes here. Instead, they refine simplicity. And that is a quality worth examining deeply. Engine and core mechanical SATUP. The heart of the 2026 TT-R110E is a 110cc, air-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine focused on throttle response rather than horsepower numbers. Its target is linear delivery that helps new riders understand acceleration without fear. Power builds in a smooth curve, and the gearing is optimized so the bike feels ready, not rushed. There is no clutch, thanks to a semi-automatic 4-speed transmission. Riders shift gear but don't juggle hand clutch timing. This setup is essentially a teacher. It lets the rider learn gear management while avoiding stalls and jerky starts. Maintenance is intentionally low. Air cooling means fewer components to monitor. Valve check intervals are generous. Oil capacity is small, so oil changes aren't expensive. Yamaha selected steel instead of exotic alloys for many components to enhance durability, not bragging rights. The TT-R110E is honest. It knows exactly what it is and refuses to pretend otherwise. Yamaha pairs the engine with a quiet exhaust system that reduces rider intimidation. It doesn't scream, it talks. For families or new riders in suburban or rural environments, that matters. The bike doesn't disturb neighborhoods yet feels alive on trails. For the mechanical segment, Yamaha highlights the balance Yamaha achieves. Mechanical simplicity that feels nurturing instead of limiting. Chassis, frame, SUSP and SIO, and the chassis uses a steel backbone frame designed to be resilient against tip-overs and repeated training drops. Steel flexes, that is a good thing for this motorcycle. Slight flex helps soak up impact forces, prevents expensive cracks, and lowers long-term ownership cost. Yamaha chooses geometry for stability. The rake and trail numbers encourage the bike to self-correct toward upright rather than fall inward during mistakes. Suspension components follow the theme of functional practicality. The front fork isn't adjustable, and that is on purpose. Too much adjustment on beginner bikes leads to confusion. Inexperienced riders benefit more from predictability. The rear monoshock similarly aims at comfort. It supports learning riders who may lack consistent posture or weight distribution skills. Trail bumps feel muted, and body position mistakes don't punish the rider. Seat height remains approachable for shorter riders and teens. The relationship between seat, bars, and pegs prioritizes neutral posture. Shoulders stay relaxed. Confidence grows. Yamaha notes this geometry as one of the strongest features. Rider fit matters, and Yamaha understands that mental confidence is as mechanical as physical comfort. Braking and safety. The braking system uses drum brakes at both ends. This decision may appear outdated, but context matters. Drum brakes provide gentle feedback. Disc brakes, while strong, can bite harshly if a rider panics. Yamaha selects drums to prioritize feel, not power. Stopping distances are sufficient for the bike's size and speed, and brake fade is largely a non-issue for the new rider demographic. Weight distribution, rather than electronics, defines control. No abs, no traction control, no ride modes. Skills develop without digital interference. On small dirt bikes, over-assistance can hide mistakes that riders need to learn from. The TT-R110E instead encourages fundamentals. It tells the rider, "You can do this. I will help but not carry you." Safety in this context is knowledge, not automation. Tires provide grip tuned for dirt more than pavement. Yamaha assumes off-road environments, camp trails, open fields, and garden acreage. Grip is predictable rather than sharp. Surfaces feel manageable. Yamaha emphasizes that this is a machine meant to teach control in spaces where freedom exists. Design language and ISTICTICS. The 2026 model updates styling with sharper lines that echo Yamaha's larger motocross siblings. The TT-R110E resembles the YZ series in miniature form. Kids and teens feel like they are riding a real machine, not a toy. That psychological effect matters. Blue plastics and minimalistic graphics showcase Yamaha identity. No flashy chrome, no overcomplication. A plastic skid plate protects the bottom section and extends usability. Ergonomics reflect a decade of refinement. Shifter placement is forward enough to avoid accidental touches. The brake pedal is raised to reduce the chance of miss. Handlebars use a mild bend, avoiding aggressive height or width that could strain wrists. Even footpeg teeth are engineered to hold boots without tearing them. Yamaha recognizes these design choices as Yamaha's unspoken statement. Small bikes deserve seriousness. Intended rider and PSYCHOLGY. The TT-R110E is not for one demographic. It creates one. Riders who begin here often develop identity as motorcyclists. The motorcycle becomes a formative experience. Yamaha crafts a machine that parents, mentors, and instructors can trust. Psychologically, the bike reduces fear. Small displacement removes pressure. There is no expectation to perform aggressively. The motorcycle becomes a companion, not a test. Confidence becomes skill. Skill becomes habit. Habit becomes exploration. For many, exploration becomes passion. Z Auto Advisor discusses motorcycles as emotional catalysts, and the TT-R110E fits this profile perfectly. It gives permission to learn. How IT fits in the 2026 Mayock ETM. Motorcycles in 2026 increasingly trend toward digital interfaces, rider aids, and electrification. This model moves in the opposite direction. The TT-R110E functions as an anchor point. It reminds the market that motorcycling's entry point shouldn't be expensive or intimidating. Yamaha positions it not as competition to other brands but as a gateway to their own ecosystem. Buyers of this model are statistically likely to stay with Yamaha as skill grows. They might progress to TT-R125, WR155R, or eventually WR450F. The TT-R110E is the first handshake of a lifelong relationship. From a market analysis standpoint, it's not just a product, it's recruitment. Z Auto Advisor frames it as foundational strategy rather than sales tactic. Buying logic and ownership. VAOU ownership value stems from low cost of operation. Spare parts are globally available. Manuals are clear. Mechanics understand the platform. It is difficult to outgrow financially, even if the rider physically outgrows the size. Resale value remains strong because demand always exists for training bikes. One can imagine it being passed from sibling to sibling or sold to another family with a new learner. The bike becomes generational, not disposable. For Z Auto Advisor viewers, the key takeaway is this: the TT-R110E is less like a purchase and more like an investment into learning. CO1 small doesn't mean lesser. Simple doesn't mean weak. Youth doesn't mean amateur. The 2026 Yamaha TT-R110E proves that starter motorcycles deserve engineering respect. It embraces mechanical honesty, ergonomic empathy, and psychological intelligence. This is how motorcyclists are born, not through power, but through trust. Z Auto Advisor recognizes this model as a cornerstone machine, not a headline grabber but a horizon opener. For anyone looking to begin the journey, or guide someone else into it, this motorcycle holds the door open.